Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to be making this beautiful top. What should we call this top? Flower top, 6 pieces top, Ankara top. This top is beautiful for this summer. Take a look at the back, guys. It's so beautiful. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys how to make in this tutorial. I made this skirt on it. I'm going to be making more of this skirt. It's just so beautiful and comfortable, guys. And I've made the video of how to make this skirt. I'll be posting it very soon, guys. Without further ado, let's dive to the DIY. Bye guys, bye. These are the things needed for this top. Africa print, also known as Ankara fabric. You need a ring. This one is a wooden ring. I cut it open here. You can use a plastic ring, you can use iron ring, any ring of your choice. Then paper pattern. And I will be showing you guys how I made this pattern in this tutorial. I like to cut my pattern first because it just makes everything more easier. It helps you to cut everything equally. So this one for the bust cover is 10 inches by 9 inches. And this one that is going up and down is 9 inches by 5 inches. So what I will do, I'll fold this in half like this. Then I will take 1/4 of an inch from here. Then I will take my curve ruler, put it here, and come to. Then I will roll it down like this. I'll take 1/4 of an inch here. Then I will use my curve ruler to curve it. I'll cut 4 of this for the Ankara fabric, and I will cut 4 for the lining. I'll cut 2 of this Ankara fabric. This one to lace the top, I cut it 2 inches width. Then you cut it as long as you like. Now I will take it to the machine to sew. I will just use this Ankara fabric as the lining too. Then I will sew it front facing front. After sewing it, before I turn it, I will pass this rope in 2 of it. I'll pass rope here and I'll pass rope here. Then I will use elastic for this bust cover and for these 2, because this one is the upper one, this one is the down one, this one is the bust cover. I cut 4 of this elastic to pass through this. Then I put 2 long rope in this. This is how it should be. So what I will do now, I'll put this on top of this like this. Then I'll put this on top of this. Then I'll pin it. Then I'll now put this on top of this. After pinning it, I will take it to the machine to sew. I will attach all these places I pin. I will just attach it with sewing machine. You see the way it is. I will open it like this. It's now like tube. So I'll fold it in like this. Then I'll pin it. Fold it. Then I will take it to the machine to sew it around, and I will leave this place open. After sewing it, I'll pass this ring through. After passing the ring through, I will close this place with needle and thread. I'll just sew it and close it because it will be difficult for me to sew it in the machine with this ring. It will be difficult.